Hi, this is Namrata from Modern Plastics TV. We are at Die Mould India 2026 exhibition at NESCO, Goregaon, Mumbai. So we have got a pleasure to meet Mr. Nelson Kumar from Sumitra Die Works Private Limited. So thank you so much, first of all, to give us an opportunity to have a conversation with you. So we would like to understand something about your company and what products do you have to offer.
Yes, thank you. Actually, my company name is Sumitra Die Works Private Limited. So almost since 2000, we have started my company. We are basically plastic mold injection mold manufacturer. We are three sectors we have. PVC sections we have, and appliances also we have, and automotive sections we have. So we are complete mold manufacturer for injection molds.
So what are your company's future plans and how do you look at it 10 years down the line?
Yeah, actually we are recently we are explore our company in last last year almost we are expenditure from our company, and next year we are planning for higher mold tonnages we are planning for making. So around 3,000 tonnage we are planning for mold tonnage. Currently our turnover is 40 CR, but then we are planning for next 75 CR we are planning. Very.
So how is your company's contribution towards this die mold and tooling industry?
Yeah, we are complete 100%. We are tooling industries. Actually, we are 100% tooling industry. We are supporting to tooling industry. Yeah.
So how is your experience with this exhibition?
Yeah. First of all, I thank you for TAGMA. We are this opportunity give to TAGMA for us. Really, we are happy with this. This is actually first year. For this year, first time we are put the stall in TAGMA. Actually, exposure is very good. Lot of customers visiting today is our unit. But we are really thankful for tooling industry. I'm excited actually. Next 2 days it will be goes to we are excited actually.
What message would you like to give to the industry and the people?
We have to work together. And make in India, we have to good for really this industry is very nice actually. Everyone actually investment is actually very required for this industry. Very less people do the investment in this industry, and government also is take care of this industry actually.
So how is your company planned to go ahead with the sustainability of its future?
So future in the sense actually we are a sustainable investment only, madam. Actually we are OEM companies also is supporting for us. So we are investing lot of machines and land also we are investing for plants also with expansion. That is the contribution, sir. Yeah.
So I'm really grateful to Mr. Nelson for helping us and giving us an opportunity to have a conversation with him. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.